Asuntoskeittiö Erkki Melartinin puisto.
This is also amazing. Today this is a more yellow one. Today on the 14th of March 2025 we have Eskolantie, 12 to 14 staircase G here in Pukinmäki Boxbacker Helsinki 4 Uusimuoto Finland, 6 floors, built in late 1984, finished in 1985, that's room 6377 with the black logo here, 2 rooms here.
Nice serial number.
Yeah, very nice too, sure, and rare.
Inspected by Kone, maintained by Kone.
And this building has 11 staircases, all accessible with the same code that we found with 9 elevators.
Yeah.
And the staircases A and B lack an elevator.
Yeah.
And there's from C to K that have it. And we still have H, I, J and K left. Yeah, that's it. Thanks so much.
That's